With picturesque glimpses of the Wolastoq River and access to Fredericton's beautiful walking trails,
The Devon neighborhood is popular for its central location and proximity to amenities. The history of Devon goes back generations. In the mid-20th century, they amalgamated the town of Devon with the city of Fredericton.
Around this time, the federal government purchased 70 acres of farmland from Hector Dobie to build 200 homes to rent to war veterans,
thus dubbing these 1.5-story homes Dobie houses. While the Dobie home is highly prevalent in Devon, there are a variety of housing styles, including condominiums, townhomes, and new builds.
The neighborhood is popular for families because it hosts multiple schools. It also offers convenient access to York Arena and the Willie O'Ree.
Folks will also enjoy Henry Park, which has baseball diamonds, tennis field, a skate park, and a pool.
For a more scenic setting, the beautiful Carlton Park overlooks the Wolastoq River, and it's situated next to Pickeroon's Roundhouse, a Fredericton favorite.
Furthermore, this area offers abundant walking trails and direct access to the Bill Thorpe Walking Bridge, which crosses the river to Fredericton's downtown.
With a mix of Fredericton's history, recent housing developments, and local amenities,
Devon makes a great place for families to call home.